Hi, my name is Sam and welcome to my constant velocity motion lab. First off, my lab observation is a lacrosse ball rolling across the countertop. Next, the assumption is that the net force is equivalent to 0. And down here I have my change in momentum is equivalent to the net force times the change in time, while my final position is equivalent to the initial position plus velocity times the change in time. Now let's take a look at my video. Oh, I apologize. My video is of a lacrosse ball moving across the negative x-axis. My video starts on frame 30 and ends on frame 68. As you watch the video, you notice that it moves constantly across the negative x-axis without much variation. Some slight, but not much. And to confirm that, we can look at it up here and look that there's some slight variation, but not much, keeping it into a constant negative movement. Now, my initial time was 0, and my initial position was negative 0.02. My final time and my final position were, was 1 second, 1.233 seconds, and my final position was negative 0.254 along the negative x-axis. Now, in order to complete part of your coding, not only do you need your observation start time, your ball's initial position, but you also need your ball's initial velocity. Now, the way to find your ball's initial velocity is to take your, in this case, my primary start time, my beginning start time, and my second start time, or starting position, my first starting position and second starting position, and divide it by your second time. That will give you your ball's initial velocity. In this case, my ball's initial velocity is 0.24 meters per second. I would go on to show you the rest of my coding, but I am having some problems not only with the VPython app, but as well as bringing up the model. So for this, I apologize. Thank you.